Look at this transformation from plain to premium, clean to classy, and honestly, way more futuristic. And it all took less than an hour to install. Let's be real, the stock Tesla door sills, especially on the 2026 Model Y Juniper, super basic, flat, dark, minimal. They get the job done, but they don't add anything to the interior experience. There's zero wow factor when you open the door, but you don't have to wait for Tesla to upgrade them, and you definitely don't need to pay Tesla's price. Tesla sells their version of illuminated door sills for $250, and they only come in the black style. This set, the carbon fiber look, matches my exterior spoiler and mirror covers perfectly. And with my collaboration with Honsho, if you use discount code TESLY, TESLY, it's only $104 with 26% off during the promotion. This is what comes inside the box. 4 illuminated door sills, magnetic control switch, rear door positioning sticker, front door positioning sticker, cleaning wipes, and spare accessories for backup. Stock sills, yeah, extremely plain, zero flair. Add the illuminated carbon fiber sills, and the entire interior immediately feels more premium, more futuristic, and way more in line with what Tesla should feel like. Installation couldn't be simpler. You don't need a shop or any wiring experience at all. That's it. No wiring, no tools, no headache. All 4 illuminated door sills and the carbon fiber look are just $104 with the 26% off Black Friday deal using discount code TESLY, TESLY. The Black Friday promotion lasts until December 1st. After that, the code returns to 20% off. So take advantage while the sale is active. Thanks for watching. Drop a like if you enjoyed this upgrade. Comment below, what accessory do you want me to review next? And subscribe for more Tesla content. I'll see you in the next one.